In this tutorial, I'll show you how to upload files on Google Drive. By the end, you'll have your files or folders uploaded to your Google Drive and ready to access, share, and organize. First, open Google Drive. On your computer, go to drive.google.com and let the page load. You should see your Drive workspace with the sidebar on the left and your files or folders in the main area. Next, click New. You'll find the New button at the top left of the screen. Click it once to open the Upload menu. Now, click File Upload or Folder Upload. Choose File Upload if you want to add one or more individual files like documents, images, or videos. Choose Folder Upload if you want to add an entire folder and keep its internal structure. When you select Folder Upload, your browser may ask for permission to upload a folder. Allow it to continue. So from here, select the file or folder you want to upload. A system window opens so you can browse your computer. Navigate to the correct location, then click the file or the folder name to highlight it. If you're uploading a single file, select that file. If you're uploading a folder, select that folder. Take a moment to confirm you've picked the right item before moving on. Once that's done, click Open. This confirms your selection and starts the upload to Google Drive. If you selected a folder, the upload will include everything inside it. Now, wait for upload. In the bottom right corner of Google Drive, you'll see an upload status panel showing progress. For a single file, you'll see a bar that fills until it reaches 100%. For a folder, you may see a list of files uploading one by one. Larger files and slower connections take longer, so give it time. While the upload is in progress, keep this browser tab open and avoid putting your device to sleep to prevent interruptions. You can continue browsing within Drive if you like, but don't close the tab until you see the upload complete. As the upload finishes, you'll see a check mark in the status panel and a brief message that the upload is complete. Your uploaded file or folder will also appear in your Drive. If you don't see it right away, click My Drive on the left or use the search bar at the top and type the name of the file or folder you just uploaded. You can also confirm the upload by checking the file size and the modified time in the details pane on the right, which helps ensure you uploaded the correct item. At this point, your upload to Google Drive is complete. You can open the file to view it, move it into a folder for organization, or right-click to share it with others when you're ready. Everything you uploaded is now stored in your Google Drive and available across your devices. That's it. You opened Google Drive, clicked New, chose File Upload or Folder Upload, selected your item, clicked Open, and waited for the upload to finish. Your files or folders are now safely uploaded and accessible in Google Drive. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.